Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today it's Christmas and I have received this amazing Antonov An225 model made by Aeroclix. So it's a really big one. I think it's about a 1:100 scale, correct me if I'm wrong. I'll put a little subtitle if I'm wrong there, but it's made by Aeroclix. I believe it was bought in the Runway Visitor Park shop. Obviously sadly the Antonov's not about anymore, but it's amazing because I've now got two brilliant models of this aircraft. So I'm going to unbox this one now because it looks to be absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to see how big it is because I literally haven't looked at it at all. So you guys are going to see it and be as surprised as I am when we take it out of the box. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you had a great Christmas and enjoy. Now for my final thoughts on this model, and personally I think it's absolutely amazing. Some people may argue that it's a little bit overpriced at about £50 compared to other snap-fit models, but for me I think it's perfectly worth that value, simply due to the fact that it is an Antonov, so maybe in future years it might go down or even go up if it gets rare. So this model has obviously been selling quite a lot, so I was very lucky to get this for Christmas, but it's an absolutely amazing model. I'm very happy to get my hands on it. It'd look great in something like an office, obviously, because it's very big. It's not the most detailed model, but it just looks absolutely stunning, and I've never had as big a scale Antonov as this. I've only had the 1:400 scale, so if you're looking for more like detail, I definitely go for that model, but if you're looking for just a big model that people are going to see and go wow, I definitely go for this model. So I'd personally pick this over the 1:400. That may be a bit controversial, but anyway, I'll let you guys comment about it in the comments and let me know what you think. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you had a brilliant Christmas and have a great rest of your Christmas holiday, however long you may be off for. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a great evening. Thanks guys.